It's just beginning. This is the beginning. Where does it end?
Hello, bebe ko. Ito na to. Ito na yung araw na hinihintay tsaka plinano natin. So, always be happy, smile, let's enjoy our moment. This is our special day. Ito yung isa sa mga pangarap natin. So, I love you. Always take care and see you at the outside.
Let us holding on. We're still together.
My dear brothers and sisters, perfection lies in its imperfection. Ang buhay ng tao ay perfect because of its imperfection. As married life, kung titignan natin sa dalawa, kay Jesus at kay Dorothy at sa mga ninong-nina, ang pinaka magandang attitude at huwag kalilimutan ay kayong dalawa ay vulnerable because you are in love.
Good night. Ain't nothing better. We beat the odds together. Glad we didn't listen. Look at what we would be missing. They said that I bet they'll never make it, but just look at us holding.
Bebe ko, ito na yung araw na iniintay natin. Huwag kang iiyak. Mahal na mahal kita. I love you.
You're still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. You're still the one I want for life.
I love you so much, bebe ko. It was a time na last year na natin sa school noon and you decided na sagutin na ako. That was January 18, 2013, around 1 o'clock in the afternoon ng pag-uwi natin. And ngayon na mag-asawa na tayo, iisa na tayo, and hope na mapatawag mo pa rin ako sa mga kakulitan ko. And I'm very thankful for everything. You showed me na kahit ganito ako, there's still someone na magmamahal sa akin.
The one that I belong to, you're still the one I want.
Simula una at sa ngayong sandali, hindi mo ako iniwan. Salamat sa pagmamahal at buong puso suportang binigay mo sa akin. Simula sa araw na ito, ako'y buong-buo sa'yo. Pinapangako kong aalagaan, mamahalin at iingatan ka. At sasamahan ka hanggang dulo.